Hello students, so today we are going to learn about the next code block, that is sound. We are going to learn sound block. Okay, so how we can use different sounds, what all effects we can give in our project with the help of sound, that all we are going to learn in today's project. Okay, so for starting, let me take the one green flag click event block, and then can you all see this is the sound block. This is the third code block, sound, which has different code blocks which we are going to use in today's class. What will happen if we'll use any one of the code block, that will make difference in our sprite. We can make our sprite speak, we can increase or decrease the sound of a sprite, we can do lots of things here. Let's see how. Okay, so let me take the first code block of sound, that is play sound meow until done. So what it will do, it will play the sound meow until the sound is complete. So what I'll do, if I do this and I'll click green flag, the cat will make the sound meow. So here is one sound meow. If you click, there is another sound which you can use, an electrical bass sound is there. If I select this sound, then this sound will be audible, and there are many more sounds which you can use. So if you want any other sound, what you can do, you can go to this sound section, click here, and then go to this section, search. There are lots of sounds, out of which you can select any sound of your choice. Okay, so this is one sound, this is another sound. So this way there are lots of sound. You can check these sound, use any one sound with whatever you like. You can select that sound and add it here, and later on then you can go to the code section. In the code blocks, that sound will get added. Right now you can use this sound also. If you will click here, that sound will be audible. Okay, so this is a use of play sound code block. Now in place of play sound, if I want to use start sound, then also it starts playing the same sound. And if you want any other task to do, you can add it next to that. And if you want to stop all the sounds, whatever it is playing, you can use a stop all sound. Okay, so you can stop all sounds with the help of stop all sounds code block. If you want to change anything in the sound, like if you want to change the pitch, or maybe increase or decrease it, you can use this code block to change. Okay, so let me take a sound. If I take a start sound, I'll add a sound meow, and I will add it, and then let me play it. Okay, so if I make it 100, let's see what happens. See, the sound has panned from left to right to left. Okay, you can change the pitch also, see. Okay, so with these numbers you can change the pitch or the panning of the sound. Okay, this is for change, and this is for set. As we understood set and change in the motion code block, that if you want to change it from the base number, you use change, and if you want to set a new number, you use a set code block. So here also you can set the pitch and the pan left right with the help of this set code block. Okay, so with this help of this, see, can you hear the sound? Okay, now if you want to clear all the sound effects whatever you have used, you can use clear sound effect code block. Okay, so after using clear sound effect, if your sound is having any effect, that will get removed. Okay, now there is another sound block, that is change the volume. So if you will use this, the volume will get changed. So it is -10, let me make it -50. Okay, so now the sound will change its volume by 50. Whatever volume will be there, it will decrease. Okay, now from the set volume, you can set the volume to any percentage, whatever you like. Okay, okay, and there is a variable called volume. So this variable will have a value which you can use for any particular function. Okay, so let me take any code block. Let's take a code block from the motion. So if I want to say it, move volume steps. So whatever the volume will be there, the cat will move those many steps. Okay, so that all way we can use different code blocks from the sound section. This is all for today's class, kids. We'll meet with the next code block section events in the next tutorial. Okay, take care. Bye bye. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section.